Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
BeastMode.Social review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this extension called BeastMode.Social. So this is the BeastMode.Social review, and right now we are on the sales page, and you will find the demo video as well on the sales page somewhere, so I'll show you later on. Right now let's understand what this is. So on the sales page it says, still begging friends to like your stuff on Facebook. Stop. It's time to build a real presence on the world's largest social network. A done for you Facebook audience. And I don't agree with this. I do not believe in growing your business on Facebook, because Facebook is not your platform. It's not trusted because they can block your group, your page, your profile anytime. Okay, if you ask me, I will not waste my time and effort in growing my followers on Facebook, because I know I can lose my Facebook page or group anytime because it's not in my control. Okay, however, keep watching the video till the end so that you know the reasons why am I saying all of this, right? Because I am going to talk about two oceans, okay? So if you have two oceans means the sea, okay? The water, the huge ocean, okay? So when you have two oceans right in front of you, and if you want to feel like swimming, you want to swim, and you have two oceans right in front of you, then you do not need to worry about finding 10,000 swimming pools. Am I making sense or not? Maybe not, right? I am not making sense for now. But watch the video till the end, I will make sense, okay? So I have those two huge oceans with me, which I personally use to make money online. And that is why I don't care about 10,000 other ways which other people will teach you, which might work, which might not work. So I will talk about the number one and number two methods to make money online in the end. Make sure you watch the video till the end. It's free to watch the video. Like the video, it's totally free. Subscribe to my channel, it's totally free. Everything is free. What else do you want? So hit the subscribe button. I will give you one more reason why I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel, because we cannot subscribe to ourselves, okay? So if I open my channel in a new tab, and I will try to subscribe in front of you people, and then you can see the message which YouTube displays. So if I hit subscribe, then it says, oops, you may not subscribe to yourself. So I cannot subscribe to myself. So that means you have to press this button. This is for you, not for me. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, is free. And if you want to support and contribute to the channel and leave your colorful comments, then you can use this super thanks button as well, and just go and show your support, okay? So do you want me to talk about the software first? Let me see if what I can tell you here. So this is going to give you comment responders, so you can respond to comments or Facebook as if it's a big deal. Why would you need some extension for that? You can log into your Facebook, reply, or just you can do it from your phone. Feed engager, feed filter, friend remover, friend maker, friend approve. Can't we do all this by logging into Facebook from our phone? I think I can do that. And trust me, on Facebook, it depends. If you have those social engagement skills, and you are actually being, what we say, marketers have to be shameless. Yeah. If you are shameless when it comes to selling, that your focus, you only want to get sales no matter what people talk about you, what they think about you, because you only want the money, right? So this is how the marketeers work, offline or online. If you want to be a super hardcore marketer, you have to be shameless, okay? So if you are that person, then only you might get one or two sales on Facebook. If you go naked, that okay, give me money, whatever it takes. Understand? So Facebook is not the platform to make money. Yes, some people might be making money with that. It's their luck or their expertise, because they know the techie stuff, okay? They are good with social engagement. They have friends maybe, or whatever they have done, it's working for them. But if you're a newbie, stop wasting your time into all of this. The simple way to make money is just by recording a bloody YouTube video. It can't be any simpler than this. I am recording a bloody YouTube video here, as you can see, and then you are watching some ads, okay? You must have seen some ads in this YouTube video, and that is how I'm making money. Who cares about Facebook? You saw this video, you saw some ads in my YouTube video, okay? You have seen my ads in my YouTube video. My money is made. I don't care about Facebook, I don't care about Instagram, I don't care about TikTok, and I don't care about LinkedIn, I don't care about Twitter. These are third-party propaganda running companies, okay? They support left agenda, okay? These are used for politics. Twitter is used for politics so that they can change the government in any country by running the propaganda using Chinese money. Twitter has no respect. Facebook, Instagram, they shut down Donald Trump because they had to run the agenda from the other parties so that they can remove Donald Trump from a country. It's all propaganda. Everything was planted and managed by the money. China removed your President Trump with the power of the money. So these companies are not here to help you to make money online. These are not your sources or resources which you can trust to grow your business. You don't have to go and put in your sweat and hard time. Time cannot be recovered. So if you go and make maybe $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 on Facebook in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, but after that your accounts are shut down, you're thrown out, what will you do then? You'll come on the ground and start from zero? So why not you start doing something, you grow your business from zero and you take it to a level where nobody can touch you. Nobody can take you down then, because you have cut down all the middleman. Facebook is the middleman, Instagram is the middleman, Twitter or whatever, TikTok, these are middlemen. You do not have to be on the mercy of them to make money. They can shut you down anytime. Plus, this software seems to be unnecessary. Why would you go and buy this extension and pay for it? Because you can do everything for free if you log in into the Facebook profile, Facebook account. And one more thing here, you see, no one has the intention to help you or sell you. Only one thing, if their real intention only was to go and sell you this extension is $17, that's fine. You can stop there, but no, they will ask you to pay this. They'll ask you to pay this. They'll ask you to pay this. Just keep paying them until you die. If you watch my videos, in my every video I tell you, you are not supposed to buy anything from this website called warriorplus.com, regardless of what it is. Doesn't matter what you are getting, doesn't matter what the product is about, doesn't matter what the training is all about. As long it is on this Warrior Plus website, just don't buy. Simples. Let's get to the bad stuff. The bad stuff here is that if somebody genuinely wants to help you only, then they will say, okay, this will cost you $20, give me $20, take this, walk away. Both are happy. But no, they want to take this money from you, then they want to make this money from you, then this. Why the hell? If you have so many things to sell, why not sell them separately? Sell me something today, then sell me something tomorrow, sell me something third day. Why the hell you're vomiting out whatever you have eaten in your breakfast, lunch and dinner, everything on me? I don't want it. Nobody has intention to help you here. If you buy this, it will not help you with anything. See here, upsell. They are here only to upsell. And let me show you the demo video if I can. So yeah, it sales page is all garbage, okay? Garbage means it's something which you don't need to buy. That's all I want to say, okay? This is a demo video you see here. So it's all about Facebook. You go and maybe if you have friends in your Facebook profile, you go and spam your friends. Who sells to? Do you sell something to your friends and family? Is that how you do marketing? And if your if you are not on Facebook or you have only 5 or 10 friends, what will you do then? What will you do? You will send friend requests to unknown people randomly, or you will join some Facebook groups and you will start commenting everywhere and you will say, hey, this is my affiliate link, go join this program, and you wish that you will get some sales. Is this your marketing strategy? This is how you make money online? Good luck to your brains. If you want to watch the demo video, you can go to this website called BeastMode.Social and scroll halfway through and you will find the demo video, play the video, and after that watch it, because I think it is better to go and waste maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes of your life in watching the demo video instead of buying something which you don't need. Okay, I am not here saying it is good or bad. I am just saying this is something which you don't need because it will help you with nothing. Facebook is not something which you should include in your strategy of making money online, because I am going to give you 2 oceans right in the end. If you can go and learn how to swim in those 2 huge oceans, you will never have the time to come and try swimming in 10,000 swimming pools. You don't need to. And I'm talking about email marketing and YouTube. If you can grow your email list, do you know email list is your backbone of your online marketing? Because email list is your own traffic. Nobody can take down your email list if you're doing everything ethically. So for example, you have Facebook can take you down. Instagram can take you down if they have to or if they want to, okay? Twitter can take you down. Maybe GoDaddy can take you down. If you're running a website or hosting, GoDaddy can take you down. Those companies can take you down. But if you have your email list, you can bloody email them the rest of the life and nobody can take you down. As long as you are technical enough and you know how to handle your email list, okay? So email marketing plus these YouTube videos, for goodness sake, simple YouTube videos. I'm recording a bloody simple YouTube video. I'm recording my laptop screen and I have a broken headphone in my ear. And I had my dinner 6 hours ago and I think this is my last video for today. I am out of energy now. So YouTube plus email marketing, these are 2 huge oceans. If you are trying or starting with online marketing, go and master email marketing, go and master YouTube, and you will not need to buy anything and you will not need to know anything if you can do email marketing and YouTube. Now you can abuse me. Hey TubeCore, what are you talking about? I'm a newbie. I don't know anything about. I don't know anything you're talking about, right? Don't worry. Why am I making these videos? There's a reason for that. These products, software, 1 year plus, it's below my level. Okay, I am only making these videos to put some sense in your head that how to make real money. Making real money is so simple. So simple. I am saying so simple right now in my video, and this video has made money for me. You have seen some ads. Let me remind you again. You have seen some ads in this YouTube video and my money is made. I do not have to sell you anything unnecessarily. I do not have to scam you. I just have to talk as long I want to talk, and then I can shut down my video and I can go to sleep. Everything is in my super control because I am doing YouTube. I am doing email marketing. I am utilizing these top 2 methods of making money online and generating traffic. I don't need the third way. I don't need Facebook. If you want to know how to make money online, click on the first link below, okay? You can go below the YouTube video right now, click on show more, find all these links. And then the main link is Make Money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within 2 weeks, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days maximum. After that, your job is simply to make these videos, make money, walk away. No scam, no nothing. The more videos you make, the more money you're gonna, the more videos you make, the more money you're going to make. And if you want to see all the proofs, then let me show you how this Traffic Jarvis is gonna work. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says Make Money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here. And thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.